Hola Internet, it's your old amigo Dominic here with the All-American Casino Guide, and I'm here with another one of my exciting and informative late night poker videos where I take a look at some actual Texas Hold'em played online by our All-American Casino Guide crew. I give them some feedback and then hopefully they apply it to their game and then you can apply it to yours vicariously. So without further ado, let's take a look at the hands. So the first thing I like to do is I like to pick my pre-flop favorite. I got 5 players here. It looks like only 4 are in the hand. I have to pick Bluffin as my pre-flop favorite because he's got a king 5. Now, why king 5? Because it's just my stupid favorite hand. It's not a good hand by any stretch of imagination, but I'm looking at the other hands, and other than the ace 3, I'm not really seeing anything that's glaringly screaming, this is a better hand. Bluffin has the option now. He's in for 100. Vendrick's, he puts the rest of the small blind in. Horace had an option. He re-raises to 200 pre-flop. All right, here's the flop. Ace, 8, 7. Okay, so it looks like PM Star paired her ace. Vendrick paired his 7, and so did Horace. So it looks like King 5 is currently out in the cold. That's not good. Okay. Vendrick checks. Horace in for 1,000. Okay, that gets Bluffin to fold. He doesn't like his king 5 anymore. Vendrick folds as well. Okay, here's a 4 of clubs. That's 2 pair now for Horace, 7s and 4s. He's in for a grand. Re-raise to 2 grand, re-raise to 3, raise to 4, re-raise to 5, re-raise to 6, call. Okay, last card is an 8 of hearts. So that's 8s and 4s for, but that's aces and 4s, aces and 8s for PM Star, so she wins the hand. Okay, here, pre-flop, let's look at the hand here, pick my favorite. Okay, a lot of on suit. Got Jack 7 on suit with hearts, 8-2 on suit with hearts, a lot of hearts. So honestly, seeing as many hearts as I am, I'm not gonna say that automatically I'm gonna pick the Jack 7 on suit. To be honest with you, I'm just gonna pick 5-10 because it's the numbers just, they're talking to me. They're speaking to me. I have this weird numerological opinion about certain numbers aligning, and those are luckier together than independently of each other. I know it's a very crazy superstition, but that's just how I play. Okay, so Vendrick needs to decide if he wants to be in for 100. He is. Horace is in for 100. Looks like everyone's in for 100. Allison has to decide now. She has the option. She's thinking about it. Still thinking about it. Still thinking about it. Okay. Okay, 6-2-4. That puts Allison at 2 pair. Bluffin has like a straight draw, I suppose. Allison's got 2 pair though. She's gonna bet heavy. She's thinking about it. Still thinking. All right, she passes it to Vendrick with no action, who checks. Horace, 8-2 on suit. He checks, everyone checks, okay. Oh, wow, 3 of spades. That means Bluffin's got a 6 high straight. He goes in for 400. Allison still has 2 pair. She goes in for 8. Vendrick's gonna fold here, I think, because he's got nothing. I mean, if he gets a 5, he'll have a 7 high straight. Okay, re-raise to 1,200, Bluffin re-raises. Allison has to decide. She re-raises to 16. Bluffin's got her covered in chips for days here. Okay, he re-raises to 3,500. Allison doesn't realize that she's drawn dead here. She's got 2 pair. I mean, she should realize, she should look at the board and realize that there's clearly a straight draw out there. He bets 400 on the river. Okay, Allison goes 800, they call. Almost 8,600 in chips, wow, okay. Pirate 10s. Pocket 10s, I have to say, that looks like a strong hand. Pocket 10s, I'm I mean, ace queen on suit with hearts would scare me and make me think that that could be a hand that busts to pocket tens, but I think pocket tens are going to ride this hand out. Okay, let's see what happens. That's my pocket tens is my pre-flop pick to win this hand. PM star goes in for 100. Everyone's in for 100. Vendrick, small blind, he's in for the 100. Horace has an option. 9-3 offsuit. So you're gonna, nope. 3 ace 5. Okay, this is already looking bad for my pre-flop pick. Okay, $100 from Vendrick, who now has a pair of aces. Pair of threes over in Horace's hand. PM star folds. Bluffin's got a straight draw, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ace. No, he's got this. He's got the full wheel right there. So on the flop, he's got the wheel. Okay. Here's the king of spades. $100 from Vendrick. Still liking his pair of aces. $100 from Horace. Raise 2,400 from Bluffin. Re-raise 4,500 from Allison, who's now all in. Vendrick folds. Horace has got a pair of threes. He folds. Call. There we go. 100% likelihood. There was not even a chance. Wow. Okay. I mean, that was just silly luck, to be honest with you. I mean, he just, wow. He pulls the wheel just off the flop. I mean, that's just crazy luck. Okay. Ace 5. That's a pretty good hand. But I'm gonna pick Queen Jack on suit with hearts as my pre-flop pick. That's my pre-flop pick. All right, so Allison has the first option. She's 6'2". Everyone's in for 100 now. Yep. Option to Bluffin. Okay, roll it up. Jack 10 ace. Looks like PM star put in 300 with a pair of jacks. Re-raise from Bluffin to 600. He's got 8, 9, 10 jack. Allison's got nothing. She should fold. She's thinking about it. Oh, she folds. 600 from Vendrick, who's got a pair of jacks. 900 from Horace, who's got a pair of aces. Here's the 8. So that's a pair of 8s for Bluffin now. Still holding out hope for that straight. Just needs a queen or a 7. 1,500. Vendrick folds. There's the 7. There's the 7. Come on, go all in. Go heavy, man. 4 grand. Horace calls. Man, Bluffin's, God, he's up to 61,000 chips. Wow, see, that is just a great example of a guy looking at all of his options, playing them smart. I really can't fault I can't really fault Bluffin's play at all on that last hand. That was really outstanding. Guys, that's all for today. I really hope you enjoyed watching these little clips. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them in the comments section down below, but not before clickety-clacking that like button, pounding that big red subscribe button, ring-a-ding-dinging that notification bell, making sweet, sweet love to that share button. Because I'm Dominic, this is the All-American Casino Guide, wishing you luck and reminding you as always, play responsibly.